Science is so much fun!
Subscribe for more amazing experiments. Bye-bye!
Hooray! Our experiment was a huge success!
So much lava! Ah! It's erupting! Look! Okay, I'm gonna pour it in.
And now, for the magic lava potion.
Okay, the powder is in. Powder is in.
First, we add the secret eruption powder.
Our volcano is ready! We need to make it look like a real mountain.
Ready for some science? Let's begin!
Welcome to our science lab. Today, we're making a volcano.